All right, number one. Let's look at the key characteristics of this line right here. Slope is first, and so slope is your rise over your run. I think this is a good point to kind of key in on, and this is a good point to key in on. You know it's going to be a positive slope because he's walking uphill. Go left to right. I got to go up 1, 2, 3, over 1, 2, 3, 4. So my slope, therefore, is 3/4. 3/4. Y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. Crosses it at -3. That point is 0, -3. X-intercept is where the graph crosses the x-axis. It crosses it right there. So the x-intercept is a point. That point is 4, 0. We've talked before about the easiest way to write an equation is to go to slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Reason for that, all you need to know is the slope and the y-intercept, and you got enough for an equation. So y equals, you've already found the slope to be 3/4. I leave my x and y empty. My b stands for y-intercept. I've already said my y-intercept was -3. So I put -3. On to number 2. Hit pause, see if you can find them, and then hit play and see if you got them right. Talk slope first. I know before I even start, it's going to be a negative slope. I'm going to clue in on this point and this point right here. Work my way left to right. Rise over run. 1, 2. I just went down 2. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My slope is -2/5. Y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis. Right there. That point has an x value of 0 and a y value of 2. The y-intercept is 2. X-intercept, where it crosses the x-axis right there. 5, 0 is that point. When you write an equation, y equals mx plus b, your best bet. M, you already found it. It's -2/5. B, you already found it. It's 2. The x's and y's represent all of the points on the line. Lastly, problem 3. When finding slope, you can find it from a graph. You could even do a quick graph if you wanted to. But there's also a formula where you just subtract your y values on top and your x values on the bottom. So I'm going to subtract my y values, 9 minus 2. And I'm going to subtract my x values on bottom. If you're subtracting a negative number, draw in 2 negatives. And then simplify. 9 minus 2 is 7. Double negative here. So 7/7. This line would have a slope of 1. And I bet if you graphed it, it would have a slope of 1 as well.